It's been a minute, but I'm here and I wanted to come by and say hello, but also let you guys know that I'm officially 8 years locked. It's been 8 years since I started my locks on my own with two-strand twists. I am still absolutely in love with them, but very much, very much, very much lazy, a lot lazier than I was when I first started out my lock journey. But it's been quite an experience. I am I am still still taking my time in terms of like styles and things like that. I don't really style my hair a lot. So usually when I do wear it, I'm wearing it out. I don't retwist my hair often at all, but it has grown a lot since I started, and I never thought that I would get to this point where it would be so long, but it is, and it's still growing. It's still growing, so I'll let you guys get a little peek at what it's looking like. Um, I retwisted it probably about 3 days ago, so this is still pretty much a fresh retwist. I had some locks in the back that unfortunately broke off, and for reasons that are neither here nor there in this moment. But I was actually trying not to have them lock because I wanted to reattach them because I still have the locks. I wanted to reattach them. I actually did try to reattach it and it didn't really work out. So if anyone knows of any videos, or if there's any videos out there that you can share with me about how to reattach locks, that would be great. And I have to note that it's already started budding. I don't even know how or why or when it started budding, but it's like started locking right here, but this hair right here is not locked. So if I could reattach the lock, I'm also just thinking about just leaving it alone because it's a few of them, and that's a whole nother story. But it's a few of them that broke off, and all of them just started locking like all of a sudden, and they're all in the back. So I could just let it lock and just continue to grow with the rest of my hair, because to me it is a little bit symbolic, and it's almost like a fresh start too. Even if it is just a small section in the back of my hair, it is a little bit of a fresh start for me. So I'm gonna let you guys take a peek. There's a lot of stuff going on, so never mind the garbage. Take a quick peek at the length. Stand up straight so you can see it. So that's it. This is 8 years. 8 years of wonderful DIY bliss. 8 years of starting these locks with my own two hands. 8 years of going through all of what life had to offer me in these 8 years. And if you have been following this channel, you know that I have said a number of times that my lock journey for me personally has been a journey of really embracing myself and coming into my own. And I am continuing to do that. I wanted to see myself grow and watch my hair grow as I grew. So next level, next phase. So for all of you who have been following me, who have been like, yo, where this chick at? Why is she don't post? You know why. If you've been here for a minute, you know why. And you also know that it's been very difficult for me to share just about my hair because I don't do very much with it, and because I feel like I am so much more than what's going on with these locks. Even though, I mean, get into them. Ain't they beautiful though? It's been 8 years. Hello. 8 years. So yeah, here's my hair. Here's my locks. My beautiful, beautiful locks. And here I am, and I'm not going to make any promises about how much more often you're going to see me, because let's not do that. Let's not play that game. But I will make this promise and let you know that I will be continuing my lock journey in my own power, and I will be continuing my lock journey not just to flex and catch stunts with this beautiful crown of mine, but I will continue it with the purpose of growing personally, professionally, spiritually, emotionally, in all ways. So I encourage you to do the same. Until we see each other again, deuces. Bye.